Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Liyah Arie, and today we'll be doing a glue review. The glue name is called Insta glue, and it's waterproof, non-toxic, sweat resistant, and is oily skin approved. I saw a YouTuber do a review on this glue. Her name is Jada McDonald, and her review was really good, so I really had high hopes for this glue. Right now I'm prepping my skin, and I'm going to do my bald cap application before I install the wig. The wig that I'm wearing, I actually made myself from hair that I got sent from Bios Hair. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I have a video on this hair on my channel. I will put the link in the description.
Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you.
Normally I use boho liquid gold to secure my cap, but today I want it to be different, so I'm using the glue to secure my cap.
I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around.
Please ignore the fact that I did not place this wig in the middle. Like, the middle part is to the side. I fixed it later, but like right now it's going to be messed up. I would like to state that I did try recording a video for this glue before, but it didn't go out good at all. Like, the glue didn't even last a day. So this video I'm trying again because I really wanted this glue to work really bad, because the video I saw of this glue, her wig was not moving at all. So I thought it was something that I did wrong. Anyways, I'll be doing 3 layers of this glue.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay.
Now I'm blow drying the hair with warm/cool air. Now I'm going back and re-gluing the parts that did not get glued down the first time.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episodes that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
This is when I noticed that my wig was not in the middle and it was really crooked, but it's about to be fixed in like a few clips.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here.
Now I'm using a little bit of even spray and tapping on my lace. When I say a little bit, I really mean a little bit because I sprayed it on my finger and then I tapped it in. I didn't go overboard.
Ooh, I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
Now I'm using Got To Be gel to do my baby hairs.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episodes that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. 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 I want you a
I went to sleep and I woke up, and this is the next morning. I sprayed my part with some black spray, and then that was it. This is how it looked. I took down the flexi rods, and it looked really nice. It was really melted, and it literally looked like my hair. Like, it was giving no lace. Alright, so this is how the wig looked. This is day 1. I was just feeling myself, y'all. So in this clip, I'm gonna be like tossing and turning, showing y'all the hair. I was just proud of my flexi rod set. So like, yeah. So this is the hair. It's from BL's Hair off of Amazon. Again, I'll put the link in the description in the bio of the video I did with this hair. This is how my wig is looking. This is day 3. You know, still, oh, it's coming up. I don't want to pull it all the way off. Try this side. Oh yeah, it's definitely coming up. But it's still stuck right here. So it might be lifting because of what I used on my baby hairs. I used Got to Be glue, and I think there's alcohol in that. So that might have lifted this up. But when I stick it back down, it's still super sticky. So I'm gonna lay it back down and see if it lays back down when I go to sleep. Also, I heard that if you sleep with an elastic band on, that it will make it lift up. Because I think when you sweat, it just like, I don't know. I just saw it on TikTok. They said not to use elastic band. They said use like cotton bandanas or like silk scarves. So like if you sweat in your sleep, that it will probably absorb into that material. So that's also probably why it started to lift. So I'm going to be switching my scarves, and I'll be back in a couple days or when I see something different. Alright, so this is the next night after I lay down with my bandana and elastic band, and it laid back down. It did. I'm pulling it. Still very much stuck. This side was lifting the other night, but it lay back down with my bandana. What about this side? This side was lifting too. Yeah, this side's looking real bad. But as you can see, it's still very sticky. So I really think that it was the elastic band and the Got to Be glue gel because of alcohol. I'm tempted to, let me go over here. My dryer's loud. I'm tempted to re-glue this side and see if it has a better chance of not lifting without me using the Got to Be gel. And then that scarf to see if it still lays down, but I don't know, would that be like not a fair review? I'll think about it, but if I pull it like this, it's fine. It's really when I just lift it up. I think I am going to re-glue it to see, but there's only one little layer, and we'll see. But everything else is still fine. I decided to re-lay them down because I do think those are Got to Be gel. Because this side that was more lifted up, I did spend a lot of time redoing my baby hairs on this side. There was a lot of gel because it wasn't raining, so that's why I think this one was lifting up more. And I did use some, like my hands are orange, got dyed wig, but I did use some on this side too. So yeah, I'm going to lay this one down. I'm going to tie it down with elastic band for it to lay, and then I'm going to switch to my bandana. But this is day 4. Yeah, day 4. Yeah, still melting. Yep. So this is the next day, and I woke up. One day I woke up, I had my scarf on all day, and I finally took it off, and look. It slid all the way back. Like, oh my god. This is the first time this ever happened to me. I never had a wig slide all the way off my head like this. That is so crazy. Well, wig is off now. Y'all, I was so sad that the wig slid back like that. Like, I really wanted this glue to work really bad, but because it slid off like that, I'm gonna have to give it a no, because my wigs has never ever slid off my head like that. Like, even the bad glues, it never slid off like that. I had to pull it off. But yeah, this is my review. I'm gonna put the link in the description and bio of the glue if you still want to buy it. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment any other glues that you want me to review. Follow my socials in the bio. Bye.